Today we will be solving a good question of mensuration where a conical tent is given to you, right? I hope you have seen a conical tent. A conical tent is into this shape, right? And the base of this will be a circle, okay? And this conical tent, any cone is having some height. Let's say this is the height h, right? And the base is a circle which is having a radius r, right? So you can see this is a right circular cone, so that's why the angle, this angle is 90 degree, right, as given to you. Now coming to the question directly, a conical tent is 10-meter high and the radius of its base is 24-meter, right? So the height is given to you for this tent, conical tent, is equal to what? 10-meter, right? And what is the another data is given to you? The radius. The radius is given to you as what? 24-meter. Now h is given to you, r is given to you. Now what we need to find? Two data is required to be calculated. The slant height of the tent. The slant height, you know, this is the slant height. The slope, this one. And this is generally represented by L, right? Now, if this is L, then we need to find L equal to what? L, that is our slant height, right? That is represented by L, and here this is the L of any cone, the slant height. That need to be calculated, and this is the first part. And the second part which need to be calculated, the cost of canvassing, the tent, the canvas which is required to make the tent, if the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. That means canvas cost need to be calculated when rupees 70 per meter square is the standard rate of that canvassing, right? So here you can see what is a canvas. Canvas is the cloth which is required to make this tent from all around, right? This one, right? Now first of all calculate the L, slant height, and the canvas cost will be calculated when we calculate the curved surface area of this cone, and the curved surface area of this cone will give you the required cloth which is required to make this tent, right? The curved surface area or the lateral surface area of this cone, lateral surface area is pi RL, right, in meter square, because here our unit is radius and height, all are given in meter, right? So this will give you the canvas required canvas which is required, which we need to make this tent, right? Now hi Salman Sharif. So first of all we need to calculate this L. So students, it's very easy. You can see R is given to you, radius of the base is given to you, height of this cone is given to you, and it's a right circular cone, just consider it. Then L can be calculated very easily by applying the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras, can't we say that L square equal to H square plus R square? This is R, right? So we can write L square is equal to H square plus R square, right? Now L square need to be calculated. Just put up the value of H, changing the pen. The value of H is given to you as 10 meter, right? So 10, right? 10 square will be here plus r square. What is r? R is given to you as 24. So this will be 24 square, right? And when you calculate the length of L, you just take the square root in both sides of the equation, right? So this will be 10 square plus 24 square. 24 square is 24 into 24, it's 576, right? So 576 plus 100, 10 square is 100, it will give you 676. Okay, since I have already put a source of this in the morning, I remember 676 is the root of 26, but you can easily calculate it, right? So slanting height of 26 meter is calculated, right? So the first part of this question is solved and this is calculated as 26 meter, right? Now coming to the second part, what is the canvas cost? Okay, to calculate the canvas cost you need to find how much canvas is required. So the canvas required is pi rl. Why? This is the curved surface area of this cone, right? So the canvas which is required, that is equal to the curved surface area or the lateral surface area of this cone, which is equal to pi rl. You can see, right? So pi rl, what is the value of pi rl? So canvas can be calculated as pi into r into l, right? Here we have calculated l. Now the first part of the question is solved. Here you can see 26 meter. So I put up the value of pi as 22 by 7 into radius as 24 meter, right? And l, the slanting height l as 26 meter, which we have calculated, right? This will give you the required canvas, right? And when you multiplied it, this is the required canvas, right? Now the cost of canvas. What is the cost of canvas? The cost of canvas, the cost of canvas can be calculated very easily. How? The cost of canvas is calculated by curved surface area into rupees 70 per meter square, right? Because this is the rate given to you, 70 per meter square, right? Now what we will do, the curved surface area is this curved surface area, is pi rl, right? So this is what we calculated, pi into r into l, right? So just write that value. 22 by 7 is pi, r is 24 and l is 26, what we have calculated, right? And all this is multiplied, this is in meter square and this is multiplied by rupees 70 per meter square. So here you can see meter square and meter square will cancelled and this rupees will be left, right? So this will give you, okay, from 7 you can cut 70 10 times, right? Now this will give you 22 into 24 into 26 into 10. So this much of rupees is the canvassing cost, right? So just solve it. 22 into 24, how much? 22 into 24, 4 or 24 into 22, 2 4 8, 2 2 4, 2 4 8, 2 2 4. So it's 528. So it's 528, right? So 22 into 24 is 528 multiplied 26 into 10. So this much of rupees is required. This much of rupees is required. So just solve it completely. So 528 into 26 will be 6 8 48 8 carry 4, 6 to 12 4 16 carry 1. So 31 16 5, 10. So this will give you 8, 2, 7, 3, 1. 13728. So this will give you rupees 13728 multiplied by 10, so it will be 0, right? So 137,280 is the canvassing cost. And mind it, the unit is in rupees, so this much amount is required, that is 1,37,280 rupees is required to make this canvas. Which canvas? Which is covering this, tent, right? So to make this canvas, okay, to make this canvas, 1,37,280 rupees is required, right? So definitely it's very costly. Okay, so you can think of how much is the cost. Okay, so I think you like the solution, students. If you find it useful, you can like it. Okay, I have explained it very clearly, and even I put a source of this in the morning, so you can go through that, and I will just link this video of live session into that source, so that you can easily understand and refer whenever you feel it and you need it, right? For any query, you can put up into the comment box. Hi Salman Sharif, your comments are there. So thank you, students. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. See you. I think if you find it useful, you can refer through the solution through my source and through my live video. And for any query, you can put up into the comment box. I will just get back to you. Okay. So this is very simple question, and I have explained the steps very clearly over here, so that if I am sliding the page, you can easily see it. Okay. So this much of amount is calculated as the canvassing cost, and in this way we have solved this question. Thank you so much. Bye bye.